Hi everyone, we are live at Silicon Slopes. My name is Kristina Ayanian and I'm your host from Nasdaq. I'm here with CEO of Groundswell, Jake Wood. Jake, thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me.
Can you tell us why corporate philanthropy is outdated?
Yeah, I think, well, first, when I ran a nonprofit, I raised $300 million in philanthropy, and a lot of that was from corporate America. And one of the things I quickly realized was companies aren't very good at giving away money. Most often what happens is a company decides to make a decision to support something like the recent hurricanes in Florida. And the CEO says, we're gonna give $1 million to the Red Cross. And what that fails to do is actually motivate and inspire their employees to feel empowered and a part of that decision. And one of the things we know today is millennials, Gen Z, they wanna give back, they wanna have purpose alongside profit. So I think historically, companies have missed an opportunity to engage their employees in making those critical decisions.
Yeah, and so we're seeing now more and more that employees are really demanding charitable action from their employees and really want them to align with their own values. Can you speak more on that?
Yeah, absolutely. I think over the last 5 years, what we've seen is that these moments of social upheaval, right? Whether it's George Floyd, whether it's COVID, Stop Asian Hate, there's no shortage of these moments where employees are saying, hey, this is the most important thing in the world to me, and I want you to do something about it, you being the CEO or the company. And this extends beyond employees. This is all stakeholders of a company. And so I think, companies have to find a way to sustainably meet the expectations of these stakeholders, and responding in a centralized way is no longer sustainable for a CEO. So, one of the things we're aiming to do with Groundswell is how do you decentralize or democratize that decision and empower employees to take that action on behalf of the company?
And how does Groundswell empower these employees?
Yeah, so what our platform does is it provides every employee with what we call a personal giving account. And really what that is, it's like an HSA or a 401k, but for charitable giving. And then companies are able to directly fund or match funds into those accounts. And again, I use that phrase, democratizing philanthropy. So really empowering those employees then to give to the charities that they think are best solving the problems that they think are most important.
Yeah, you're really making it easier for these employees to donate and give back to the organizations that matter most to them. So that's really impressive.
Yeah, and I think a stunning statistic is that 74% of American households give to charity every single year. That's a higher percentage than households that contribute to a retirement account. Mm-hmm. So this is an opportunity for companies to provide a financial benefit that actually impacts a household's bottom line, because these people are giving money away anyway.
Yeah. Well, thank you for all that you do, and thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.